The Ford Lightning does not have AM radio. They left it off. Or did they? Today, after I got my truck back from getting fixed, I turned on the audio and it basically had a 540 number on there. I was like, does it have AM radio? So let's check this out. I want to show you. Let's just check this out together. Audio. Let's see what happens. There it is, 540. Now, it's obviously, there's no station right there. It must have been an update or something, so I'm not going to touch any of those because those are my presets. But let's see if it'll... What? That is crazy. It gets all the AM channels. Wow. That's pretty cool. But there's nothing up there. What does this do? This says AM right here. It says AM. But look at that. So it's not up there. So I wonder if I go here and I turn that on, if it's now going to be up there. No, that's not up there. Anyways, so you can have, apparently, you can have AM radio. I know it kind of sounds crazy. Every car has had AM radio, but they took it off of the Lightning. But apparently it's back on there. I don't know if it's a glitch. I don't know what's happening, but I'm going to do some more research and I'll let you know. But yeah, just another little thing I discovered after leaving when my truck's getting fixed here. So this is so weird. Presets, AM, HD radio. So I turned that on, but what is that information? Allows tuning to HD radio broadcast if available. That doesn't actually matter then. All right. So let's put this up here. Go back that way. Now it's just... That's so crazy. So how in the world... What? Look what it does there. I didn't know it could do that. That's sweet. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing here. I guess they added AM radio. Maybe it's a software thing. I wonder if I touch FM, I wonder if it's going to go away forever or if it's just going to allow me to switch back to AM. So let's touch FM, see what happens. Oh. I had AM for a little bit, but I got rid of it. I don't know how to get it back. Okay, let's see if I push on this button here, if it'll let me have it back again. No, it just says FM now. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Let me see if it's in settings here. Oh, no. No. Ford, you're teasing me. Okay, somebody must know how to do this because it was on here. It was on here. AM radio was there. Okay, so if you do want to go to radio, you obviously go home and you click radio and it goes back here, gives your presets. That was all there. AM was there. It was there. Where did it go? Oh. You know, I actually like AM radio because the signal travels further. You can listen to the same station. And it works better for emergencies. It's actually a really good emergency station. So, anyways, Ford, please put it back. I don't know what you did to it. I think it may have been actually just an accident that it was there because the update came through and sometimes the update resets the radio. But man, that stinks. I really do like AM radio. Anyways, let me know if you've had the same experience with, to see if you've been able to get AM radio on yours. This is a 2023 Lariat. So I just think that that's interesting that the radio is gone. Anyways, Ford, give it back. It obviously works, and it works fine. My car or my truck was running, so it's not going to impact the truck at all. So anyways, Ford, give me the AM radio back. That'd be awesome in a future update, or somebody tell me how to do it. So I'm back, and we're trying to figure out this whole AM radio thing. So I thought I was done with the AM radio fiasco, if you will. I was just going to wait for another update or something until they actually put it on there. But what was really cool is, even though I pushed the buttons and then ended up turning it back to FM, now you can't get it back to AM again. The cool thing is, when Ford does an update, it actually resets the radio. So I got another update a couple days after doing the video. So it reset the AM radio thing, and I still don't have AM radio. I've also done a little bit of research in the last couple days too. So I wanted to actually show you what happened, and actually did a little bit more research. Ford is adding that into a update. Maybe I missed the update. Ford's updates are a little bit weird. They come a little bit sporadic, and sometimes, like, I missed, there's like this little thing right here where the percentage goes down. I missed that update for a few times, and then they added it back on another one. So I don't know if that's what they're doing with this, but I wanted to show you. I think it's really interesting. I think I figured out a hack that, until you actually get AM radio on your update, now talking to people in Canada and other places, I think it's like a law thing where they had to have it. So, but for the US, not everybody has it. So if you're like me and you don't have AM radio yet, here's a way potentially where you can actually keep AM radio. So check this out. Basically, 850, 820. So, oh no, I accidentally touched that. But good news, I actually already did this. This is what I was going to show you. The hack was basically, there it goes. So there's the hack. What you do is you find a station that you want. So 1040 is your station. Then basically you would come down here and you would just program it as a preset. Now, if you click on that, you're going to actually see HD radio. You could kind of turn that on. Maybe that'll help. I'm not really sure. But there's no FM up here, or there's no AM up here. So, but basically, you could go from that. You could go from FM. If you preset this, then go back. You could go back to AM. So, you want to listen to football? I'm recording this on a Sunday, so got some games going on. Anyways, there's a little hack for you if you actually want to have AM radio. I actually wasn't sure it was going to work. I did program that earlier whenever it came on, and I'm glad I did, because my finger, I accidentally touched the FM thing. So I'm glad that worked for me. But yeah, so there's a little hack for you if you want AM radio and you don't want to wait for the update. So the hack is when there is a new update that comes in, and it basically resets your radio. Usually it'll reset it to an AM station. So don't click on one of your stations yet. Just find a good AM station, any one, and then just make that into one of your presets. And then you'll always be able to click back over there and then be able to scroll and get AM radio whenever you want. So there's a little hack for you. So thank you guys for watching. And yeah, hopefully that helped. Stay tuned for more little tips and tricks on how to enjoy your Lightning. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.